Hi guys, this is Jake with Think Free Live Free. Okay guys, so very exciting. My replacement dome lights just came. So I think I'm going to install those. This is what they look like. They are for these dome lights. On the top of the roof. I was told by the dealership that they believe they were wired in series, so one of the lights might be out. I went and checked above the headliner here, and they were all out. Every single light was out, so, and they live right up here in this area. Right above the storage area here. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in, and hopefully everything works. So the dome lights, the housing part looks like this, and all I'm doing, I ordered these miniature lights. They were about $8, $9 for a 10-pack, and this little light goes right in here. As you can see there, I have the van turned on right now, and it lights up. So you just push them in there, and then you put them back in their hole. So for anybody out there that's having issues with their dome lights, it's a really easy fix. It's right above the storage compartment, and you can see the hole in the ceiling there. That just twists off and goes in that spot. Really easy fix. Guys, thank you so much for watching today.